Hello everyone and hope you guys going well. So in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Snapchat volume not working. So simply go to your Snapchat and tap on your profile picture at the left side corner and just go to your setting, and here you can see a option notification. Tap on here and scroll a bit down. You can see a option vibrate and sound. You just need to enable these two options. After doing this one, you just need to go back from your Snapchat app and go to your setting, or you can just hold on the Snapchat app and go to this app information and go to this permission option and just allow your microphone, and just go to this notification option and here you can see audible notification is turned on, and if you just see that the notification is turned off, you just need to enable this notification. This process can be solve your problem on Snapchat. And that's all for today's video, and hope this video find to help you. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment sections, and don't forget to like and subscribe this channel for more tips and tricks.